The future isn't something that just happens. It's something we create through the choices we make today.
Did you know that the American Express Business Platinum card could actually reward your lifestyle? Not just cover your business expenses. Imagine booking a flight, enjoying the luxury lounge like the Centurion Lounge like I did in Dallas, and taking a vacation all while earning points. That can work for you. Does that sound like a dream, right? Well, let me show you how I made it a reality with just one Power Business credit card, which is my favorite, the American Express Business Platinum card. Hello, beautiful people. I would say credit champs. Lisa here, and welcome back to the family on the Biznezz Academy channel. We're your go-to hub for everything credit, business, and building a lifestyle that you love. If you're serious about using credit to elevate your business in life, you're in the right place. And if this is your first time here, hey, and don't let it be your last. Why don't you go ahead and like this video and just subscribe to my channel so every time a video is uploaded, guess what? You'll be notified. In today's video, I am going to give you a behind the scenes look at how I used my American Express Business Platinum card to turn a simple trip into a luxury experience. From the Centurion Airport Lounge in Dallas, access to dinner in Vail, and even ski lessons. Whether you're a business owner or just curious about how business credit can reward your lifestyle, this one's for you. So let's talk real for a second. A lot of business owners, especially small business owners that run a mom and pop, one person running the business, think that business credit cards are only for purchasing supplies, hiring new staff, or taking clients to lunch. But that's small thinking. If I told you that your business credit card could do so much more, I'm talking first class lounge access, luxury hotel stays, and unforgettable experiences, all paid for just your points. Would you believe me? Let me show you exactly how I turned my recent trip to Vail into a luxury experience, all thanks to American Express Platinum Business Card. So step one, I booked my airline ticket using my Amex Travel and I earned 5x the points. That's one of the biggest hacks right there. American Express rewards you heavily on flights, and those points build up faster than you think. When you run a business, using your card means being strategic. Step number 3, I used my Amex points and travel credits to help cover my hotel stay in Vail. Yes, the same card I used to run my business helped me unwind in a beautiful hotel with a view of the mountains. Because when you use your American Express Business Platinum card intentionally, the perks pay you back. That's why it is one of my favorite business credit cards, and I use it for everything, just for the points and rewards. And step number 4, this is the real flex. I used my Amex to cover high-end dinners that were curated experiences and even my ski lessons. And guess what? That spending wasn't just about treating myself, it was very strategic, a strategic move to earn points while swiping the card. And let me just say this, I couldn't be happier with this card because it has truly changed the way I travel, the way I do business, and the way I experience life as an entrepreneur. It's not just about earning points, it's about creating memories, elevating my lifestyle, and maximizing every dollar I spend in my business. And I hope you too could do the same thing.